Hello, welcome to another episode of What's Inside with special guest John Jackfruit. Let's see what's inside. Don't know what that was.
Should we spare a bit?
But it's not.
I'll just stab it. Oh my goodness.
This is not working. It's not working.
Oh my goodness, it's tough.
Oh,
this might work actually.
Oh.
Wee! 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 Nah.
Okay, not today. Not today. That's a shame.
We need
Anyway.
to find a shot one.
Oh, oh,
Oh!
oh,
Oh!
keep going. Wow. That's what's inside. Catch you next episode.